Ah, hinamon mo kasi. O, tingnan lang ngayon. Ha? Ikaw pala may 150 million na insertion. Kaya pala habol ka ng habol sa mga Duterte. 125 like Sara, sa'yo 150. Grabe ka naman. Nakakahiya. Habol ng habol kasi. Di ba? Oh, hinahamon mo si si Libeste. Ayan, tuloy. Panoorin niyo.
Kasi for example, meron admission si Congressman Leandro Leviste na meron daw ho siyang listahan, binigay daw sa kanya as early as September. Yung pong listahan supposedly ng mga proyekto na may kasama pong proponents. My question to him is, it has been several months since this supposed document had been provided to him. Why has he not disclosed it up until today? Hindi ba? Kasi binabanggit niya yun in the last couple of days na meron pong binigay na dokumento. Where is that list? And if that list is actually relevant to the flood control controversy, that list should have been disclosed in the soonest time. Hindi natin kailangan hintayin si Undersecretary Cabral po dito. If it is in your possession, that should have been disclosed in the soonest time. If what we actually wanted was actual truth-seeking in the flood control controversy. So,
346 minutes later.
Sir, pwede ba akong magbigay ng isang pangalan?
Well, go ahead.
Maliban sa yung nabanggit ko last time on your show about Congressman Edwin Garjola na may over 20 billion projects dito, over the weekend kasi may isa akong kasamahan sa Kongreso na nagsabi, bakit hindi lang ni Leandro sa publiko ang listahan? Ang sagot dyan na banggit ko na kanina, pero yung isa is ayaw pa naman na magalit sa akin yung buong Kongreso. Pero dahil siya ay nanawagan na isa publiko ko, pwede kong banggitin ang insertions niya. Ito po ay si Bicol Saro Party List Representative Terry Redon.
What?
Si Bicol Saro Party List po ay may 150 million pesos road project insertion sa Pamplona at Pasacao, Camarines Sur.
Oh my
Itong
God.
dalawang line items, 75 million pesos each, were awarded to the same company, Bicol Gold Rock, at a winning price of 73.5 million pesos, which is 2% below the approved budget. And this same company, Bicol Gold Rock, has cornered the majority of projects like this in this area. Kaya, just to give that one little example, kasi nanawagan naman si Kong Redon na ilabas ang listahan, pwede niyang i-check kung tunay ba na ang Bicol Saro Party List ay nag-submit ng 150 million pesos road project sa Kamsur, at pwede nating tingnan kung may kaugnayan ang Bicol Saro Party List sa Bicol Gold Rock na kontraktor.
Kaigit na.